I'm working on time.
Penny X.
I posted a video, what was it, yesterday I think? Yeah, it was yesterday. From like motovlog meet thing, yeah. And I finally got like the issue figured out while my GoPro was charged. I just have to like charge two and then put one in it, and yeah, it just takes longer. I don't know why it wouldn't charge like the GoPro plugged in and the other two on like the charging dock, but whatever. Nice Mustang. Clean. But yeah, I'm headed to go get food with my parents and figured I'd do a video. Bluetooth! Cardo, Bluetooth! Bluetooth! Come on, man! There we go, okay. I figured I would do a recording and yeah, so I can hopefully get this out. I'm gonna try and figure out like a mic for my other camera so I can do like vlogs in the car, just so like, because it rains a lot here, so I can do more videos. Because waiting to ride for like a nice day like today sucks. And then, like, obviously I like riding. I ride as much as I can. But with a shitty out, I'm not gonna ride because I don't like taking my bike out when it's shitty. I like nice days, but we don't get too many of them up here. So yeah, I'm gonna mess with it. Hopefully get it figured out. I'd like to save some money and buy the mic that one of you guys, I can't remember your name, but you commented on 2 videos ago of mic to put in my helmet. I'm gonna try and figure that out too. Save some money and then buy it. I'd like to buy that. I'd like to buy the new Instant 360 too, because that looks awesome. And I'd like to this too, but I don't know, we'll figure it out. I'll get it sorted. But there's a call. Good car. Sheriff. Today I worked on a gsxrrrr. I helped wire the aftermarket taillight harness for his aftermarket taillight with integrated tails. There was no diagram, which sucked because we could not. So we got it to work, but the way you're supposed to wire it, it just stays on. Oh, they're doing a photo shoot. So it's either on and you hit the brakes and nothing happens, but the blinkers still work, or we did it the other way where he doesn't have a running light, but his brake works. So I messed with it for a while, could not get it to work the way it should, because it's supposed to have a daytime like running light, and then we hit the brakes, it gets brighter. But we couldn't get it to do that. And I tried fucking everything. So I told him, I was like, I don't know if you want to bring it to someone that really knows wiring, but I know like how to wire shit and make it work. But not this, because there was no like, it was you said it was an Amazon aftermarket tail light. I was like, I'd recommend like getting a plug and play one next time, because then you really just have to plug it in and take it apart, plug it in, and then you're good. But yeah, we did that, and then he had removed the rear fender, so I was trying to help him with that. Yeah, it was a good time. It was fun. I don't mind working on stuff. I like working on bikes and cars. He was like, thought he wanted to ride. I was like, I can help you work on your bike and we can maybe ride later if you want. He's like, actually, yeah, because I've already started on it and don't know what I'm doing now because I can't get it figured out. I was like, okay, I'll be up in a sec. Yeah. It was a good time. We got it sorted so it works like 90% of the time, like 90% of how it should. Because I was like, dude, I don't like. I hate to break it to you, but if I can't like at least get it to, because at first we couldn't even get it to blink. Like we couldn't get it to just blink when you hit the brakes. We had the blinkers working and the light powered, and then I messed with it some more and I was like, you can either run your factory light and put the rear fender back on so you have blinkers, because he wanted blinkers. I don't use blinkers, but I have them because it's integrated into the tail. And he's like, I'd like to have blinkers and a working brake light. I was like, okay, so you need to do factory, or you can run it without the daytime running light and it turns on when you hit the brakes. He's like, let's do that, because then it works like most of the time it should, like as much as it should, as much as it should, minus the daytime running light. So we did that. I want to go highway because it's kind of hot. Yeah, we're gonna go highway. Yeah, it was supposed to be like overcast and potential rain today, but there's like not a single fucking cloud in the sky, so I'm happy I got the ride, because yesterday it was rainy and I hated that. It sucked. About to be there, so I'll catch up with y'all after we eat. We're going to the Pepino's taco stand. It is phenomenal. And also, if you ever want to go to a barbecue place, go to Smokey's. My buddy owns it, and it's fucking awesome food. Perfect. Good. I just so while I was eating, I got a text in the group chat, and the boys were like, oh, it'd be a shame if I got invited out to get some ice cream today. What a terrible day to get ice cream today. I was like, fine, okay, well, how about this? We'll do 6 o'clock. Question mark, question mark. I was like, okay, fine. 6. Question mark, question mark. And then people were like, yes. So we're doing a car meet tonight. Like a car bike meet, whatever you want to call it. It's all the same. I'm not sure how many people are going to go. Probably 5 or 6 people, maybe more. I don't know, man. But we're going to try and vlog this one a little bit more. I'm headed home to swap the battery out on this, grab my other camera, feed my dog, and then I'm going to text the group and see if anyone wants to meet. So yeah, that sounds like a good plan, right? Yeah. So yeah, I don't know, I just thought I'd give you all an update, because then, in theory, when we get to meet, I'll do my sick fucking transition where I slap the camera on my face and then we're on the other camera, because I do like this. Yeah, it was clean last time I did it. It's not perfect how I wanted it because of autofocus, but it was still clean. It was cool. So we're gonna do that again, and hopefully vlog like the meet more. I'm just gonna get used to using that camera instead of like having the camera in my face and I'm not holding like in people's faces, you know. It's a little more awkward, but we'll get there. We'll get there. It'll be a good time. I'm excited. And then, after that, I'm going to go home, edit the video, and then it's going to be posted for tomorrow. And then, I'm going to play some Rocket League after I'm done editing it, because it'll take me like an hour-ish to edit it. Edit it. Yo. It's such a nice, like, dude, I fucking burnt. Like, my neck is burnt, my arm's burnt. This arm doesn't look too bad. But, I mean, I got myself at work. I hit my arm on the cat and it started to blister, and luckily they had like burn cream and then like cold packs for burns. Put burn cream on it, put the cold pack on it, wrapped it, and left it like that for the rest of the day. And it feels a lot better. It's less blistery, kind of like this is a little bit of a cut, I guess, but yeah, shit happens. But this is gonna hurt tomorrow, I can already tell. So I'm gonna go home, spray it with my aloe shit, and then probably put some sunscreen on. Yeah, so alright, we'll catch you in a little bit.